Universal IQ, exploring the infinite universe of knowledge.
Time. You think you understand it. Every second feels the same length. But what if this fundamental experience of reality is nothing more than an illusion? What if time can stretch, compress, and make parts of the universe age at completely different rates? Welcome to the mind-bending world of time dilation, where recent scientific discoveries challenge everything you thought you knew about existence itself. In July 2025, scientists discovered that time in the early universe passed only 1/5 as fast as today. Using 190 quasars billions of light years away, researchers found measurable proof. When the universe was 1.5 billion years old, events taking 1 hour today took 5 hours back then. If you traveled back to the early universe for 1 year, 5 years would pass in our present time. Every time you climb stairs, you literally start aging faster. Scientists measured gravitational time dilation with just 1 meter height difference. Living 80 years atop the Empire State Building makes you 104 microseconds older than ground level. On Mount Everest, clocks run 39 hours ahead over Earth's 4.6 billion year history. Gravity doesn't just pull objects, it pulls on time itself. Scientists can't agree if Earth's core is older or younger than the surface. Richard Feynman calculated the core should be 2.5 years younger due to stronger gravity. But 2022 research suggests the opposite. The core might be older. The ground beneath your feet experiences time differently than the molten iron below. Right now, particles called muons are raining down on you from space. They should decay before reaching Earth's surface with their 2.2 microsecond lifespan. But traveling at 99.5% light speed, time dilation slows their aging tenfold, letting them survive the 10-kilometer journey. Particles constantly hitting you are literally aging slower than you are. Your GPS works because it corrects for time dilation 38,000 times daily. Satellites at 20,000 kilometer altitude with weaker gravity run 45 microseconds faster per day, while their 14,000 kilometers per hour speed makes clocks 7 microseconds slower. Without relativistic corrections, your location would be miles off within hours. Every GPS use witnesses Einstein's relativity in action. On neutron star surfaces, time crawls so slowly that one day there equals several weeks on Earth. With our sun's mass compressed into 20 kilometers, gravity creates 30% time dilation. Every hour you'd experience equals 90 minutes for distant observers. Communication with Earth would create the universe's most frustrating technical support call. Black holes create cosmic horror through time. As objects approach the event horizon, they appear frozen forever to outside observers while experiencing normal time themselves. The victim is simultaneously dead from their perspective and eternally frozen from everyone else's. Black holes become cosmic fossil records of everything that ever fell in. Time isn't the uniform backdrop we believe. You're not moving through time, you're moving through space-time. Different parts of your body age at different rates. Your head ages faster than your feet by 90 billionths of a second yearly. The universe performs temporal calculus on every atom of your existence. Time isn't what you think. It's far stranger, more beautiful, and more fundamental than we ever imagined.
The most mind-bending journey through time you'll ever take. Picture this nightmare scenario. You're standing on the surface of a neutron star, a dead star so dense that a teaspoon weighs 6 billion tons. That's Mount Everest in a sugar cube. But here's the terrifying part. Time becomes your enemy. Every second you experience equals 90 seconds on Earth. Have lunch. An hour and a half passes for your friends. Sleep 8 hours. Earth experiences 12 hours. Live there 1 year, everyone you know ages 6 extra months. Communication becomes torture. You say, "Hello Earth," and it reaches them normally. But Earth's response crawls to you like molasses. Simple conversations become hours-long ordeals. You're trapped in a prison made of time itself. Now imagine something even more horrifying. Black holes commit murder against time itself. Watch our astronaut approach the event horizon, the point of no return. From our safe distance, we see cosmic horror. She doesn't disappear. She slows down and slows and slows until she's frozen like a photograph, suspended forever at oblivion's edge. The twist that makes this pure horror. From her perspective, she screams as she falls normally, torn apart by tidal forces. She dies in minutes. But from our view, she hangs motionless for eternity, her final scream redshifted into silence. Every black hole is surrounded by a shell of frozen victims, a cosmic cemetery where the dead are preserved forever in extreme time dilation's amber. Every person, spacecraft, matter that ever fell in is still there, frozen at their moment of demise. But 2025 brought the impossible. Scientists at TU Wien shattered a fundamental law governing our universe for decades, the energy accuracy trade-off. For 80 years, physics had an iron rule: want a clock twice as accurate, need twice the energy. This seemed unchangeable as gravity itself. Then these researchers pulled off magic. They created quantum clocks exponentially more accurate without needing exponentially more energy, like running twice as fast using half the fuel. They broke physics using quantum weirdness against itself. Picture a clock with two hands. One moves in hidden quantum dimensions while the other ticks normally. Reading both simultaneously achieved impossible precision. This isn't just better clocks. If we can break this limit, what other impossible barriers might crumble? Speed of light? Uncertainty principle? We're staring at reality rewriting revolution. Here's what will blow your mind. You don't need neutron stars for time dilation. It's happening in your body right now. Your head ages faster than your feet. The height difference creates measurable time dilation. Your brain experiences 90 billionths of a second more time yearly than your toes. Elevator rides are literal time travel. Fast elevators create effects measurable by atomic clocks. Highway driving changes time. You age 70 picoseconds less during 5-hour road trips than someone standing still. Every flight, staircase, altitude change tweaks your personal timeline. You're not just moving through space, you're surfing time waves rippling through reality's fabric. So when someone asks, "What time is it?" remember, that question has no universal answer. Time isn't existence's steady drumbeat. It's a symphony of different rhythms playing simultaneously throughout the cosmos. You're not just watching this, you're participating in the universe's greatest performance, where every atom dances to its own temporal rhythm. Welcome to reality where time isn't what you think. It's far stranger, more beautiful, and more fundamental than we ever imagined. The universe has no obligation to make sense. And that's exactly what makes it worth exploring. Subscribe if your mind is blown, and comment which time dilation effect shocked you most. If your mind is completely blown by these time dilation revelations, smash that like button. It literally helps more people discover how insane our universe really is. And hit subscribe because next week we're diving into something even more mind-bending: the grandfather paradox, why time travel breaks everything. I'm talking about the ultimate question that keeps physicists awake at night. What happens if you travel back in time and accidentally prevent your own birth? Does the universe explode? Do parallel timelines split? Or does reality have built-in safeguards that are stranger than fiction? Drop a comment below and tell me, which time dilation effect from today's video broke your brain the most? Was it the frozen black hole victims, your head aging faster than your feet, or scientists literally breaking the laws of physics in 2025? Share this video with anyone who thinks they understand time. Trust me, they don't. And I'll see you next week when we explore why time travel might be the universe's most dangerous game. Until then, remember, you're not just living through time, you're surfing through space-time itself.